Hello everyone, today I'm testing a new microphone, a lav mic clip on the shirt from Comica V05. I'm recording on my phone, then I'll be comparing it with the built-in microphone on my camera. This camera I bought a zoomed lens, it is 28 but crop sensor. Micro Four Thirds, so it is quite zoomed. So now I'm quite far from the camera, probably 4 or 5 feet. So the microphone built in the camera probably will suffer. It's quite far, so I'll be needing this clip microphone. So I bought this mic online for about $21 US. It's quite cheap. It's a lavalier mic with a clip that clips to your shirt. We have inside the box leather pouch or small bag to carry on the microphone. We have here the paperwork in Chinese and English. Then we have the microphone with the cable. It is quite long, it's about 15 feet. Unfortunately it is undetachable. I was considering another model called Booyah, but it's even longer cable, it's about 20 feet. So in the front we have the indicating LED lamp, and on the side we have the controls. We have the gain scroll wheel. You can plug it into your smartphone or your laptop. It doesn't draw power, it has its own battery. It's the coin type battery. Then we have the switch, the on off, and switching between phone mode and camera mode. It has 3.5 audio jack, 4 poles, so the switch can change the polarity of these poles to be compatible with your phone or your laptop or camera. Here we have the clip and the microphone. It is covered with foam for wind. On the side we have audio jack output, so you can plug in your headset or headphone to listen to the quality of the recording, also the sound level, so you can manipulate the gain. The Booyah model doesn't have these features, but it is quite cheaper. It's around half the price, it's around $10 US. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Okay, take care.